In this video, I will show how to package your Illustrator project. So click on File and here the setting Package. You can use this shortcut Alt plus Shift plus Control plus P. Find out the location where you want to save, or you can create a new folder. Folder name. There are some options. You can copy links, collect links in separate folder, relink linked files to document. So these all options are optional. If you are beginner, so leave as a default and package. Click on OK. Read this note and click on OK. Now click on Show Package. And this is the template report.